Well, today the Supreme Court made several major decisions, including upholding laws in dozens of states that allow mail-in ballots to be counted as long as they're postmarked on or before Election Day, plus a mixed bag of decisions for President Donald Trump regarding presidential power. ABC's Christiane Cordero has more from Washington.
Today, a landmark decision from the Supreme Court allowing states to continue counting mail-in ballots received up to 5 days after Election Day, as long as they were postmarked on or before Election Day. The case revolved around the Republican Party's bid to prevent states from counting ballots it received after Election Day. Today's 5-4 decision from the conservative-leaning court was a surprise. During oral arguments, Justice Samuel Alito, who wrote the dissent issued today, argued ballots that arrive after Election Day could be confusing.
Some of the briefs have argued that confidence in election outcomes can be seriously undermined if the apparent outcome the day after the polls close is radically flipped by the acceptance later of a big stash of ballots that flip the election.
Justice Amy Coney Barrett, in today's majority opinion, wrote voting by Election Day, even by mail, is consistent with the Constitution. The court also weighed in on 2 cases regarding presidential power. In a 6-3 decision along ideological lines, the court voted to allow President Trump to remove a member of the Federal Trade Commission purely for policy reasons. It paves the way for Trump to transform the federal government. The High Court, however, is not granting Trump the same authority over the Federal Reserve. In a 5-4 decision, the justices blocked Trump's attempt to fire Fed Governor Lisa Cook for now, noting the Fed's long tradition of independence. The justices today separately rejected Trump's appeal in an E. Jean Carroll defamation case from 2022. That means the president will have to pay the $5 million judgment. Christiane Cordero, ABC News, Washington.